In July 2026, roughly 1.6 million dozen eggs were suddenly pulled from grocery store shelves across 6 southern states. The recall cleared out store-brand cartons from major retail chains, hitting Brookshire's and Kroger locations region-wide. Usually, a food recall of this size follows a trail of hospital visits, but in this case, Midwest Poultry Services reported 0 illnesses connected to their product. And if you held one of these recalled eggs in your hand, it would look perfect. No cracks, no dirt, and absolutely no visible signs of contamination on the shell. So why initiate a multi-state logistical nightmare to track down almost 20 million eggs when nobody is actually sick and the product appears flawless? The answer traces back to the company's 2 farms in Texas, where investigators conducted routine, proactive environmental monitoring. They weren't testing the outside of the eggs. They were swabbing the physical environment of the farm itself, hunting for hidden threats in the facilities. Those tests detected a highly dangerous target, a bacteria known as Salmonella enteritidis. This is a microscopic view of the bacteria. If consumed, it invades the host cells, causing severe cramps, fever, and in vulnerable populations, a potentially fatal infection. Finding this specific stealth pathogen lurking in the farm environment triggered an immediate preemptive shutdown. Waiting for consumers to fall ill before acting simply wasn't an option. We often think of Salmonella as a surface problem, bacteria from chicken droppings transferring to the outside of the eggshell. This diagram shows a hen's reproductive tract, which illustrates how Salmonella enteritidis utilizes a biological stealth mechanic. The bacteria physically colonizes the ovaries of a live, seemingly healthy hen. As the hen's body begins to produce an egg, the bacteria slips directly into the albumin, the egg white, and the yolk while they are still forming. All of this infiltration happens well before the hen's body deposits the hard calcium shell around the outside. By the time the egg is laid, the bacteria is hermetically trapped deep inside a pristine-looking shell. Because the pathogen is sealed on the inside, traditional safety measures like washing or sanitizing the exterior are entirely useless. A total recall is the only defense against this Trojan horse. There is a widespread culinary myth that simply tossing an egg in boiling water or lightly frying it removes all risk of food poisoning, but thermodynamics tell a different story. To neutralize the bacteria trapped deep inside, the dead center of the yolk must reach a firm 145 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. That means popular breakfast orders, like a soft-boiled egg or these sunny-side-up eggs with runny yolks, leave the bacteria perfectly intact. Relying on typical low-heat cooking habits provides a false sense of security when dealing with a biologically infiltrated egg. If you recently bought eggs in one of the affected states, checking your fridge takes just a few seconds. This graphic shows where to look on a standard carton. Find the plant code printed on the side, P1950 or 0840962. Right next to that is the Julian date. If it reads between 157 and 184, throw the eggs out or return them. Tossing out nearly 20 million eggs sounds like a massive failure of the food supply chain. By understanding pathogen biology and utilizing proactive monitoring, scientists successfully intercepted a massive biological threat, stopping an outbreak before a single person took a bite.